how to connect your iPhone to a laptop in Windows 11. So I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your laptop and also how to fix the issue if it's not working. So the first thing you need to do is go and grab your iPhone like this. You could then grab a USB-C cable and you'll need to plug one end into the iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now, if you unlock your iPhone, you may get a "Trust this computer" message pop up. Just make sure to press allow. Now, once it's connected, you can come over to your computer and open up the Start menu. Now search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Click on the search box at the top of the page, and then you'll need to search for Apple devices. You can then click on this app, which is Apple Devices, and you'll need to install it onto your Windows computer. Once it's finished installing, open up the app. You can then agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Start. And now it should go and detect your iPhone like this. Click on Trust. And then you'll need to press the trust message on your phone as well. Once you've done this, your phone will be connected like so. You'll then have the option to update or restore your iPhone. You can also access things such as your photos and your files between devices as well. If it's not working or it's not connecting, then head back over to your iPhone. You could then disconnect the USB-C cable and go and open up the settings on your phone. Now scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and press Reset Location and Privacy. You'll then need to enter your iPhone passcode to confirm these changes. Once you've done this, you can grab your USB-C cable, plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your computer. You should then get the "Trust this computer" message pop up, and when you click on Trust, it should then connect to your Windows laptop like so.